Hey there, this is Roland from YouTube. So you want to start a new YouTube channel? Not a problem. Let's get you started. If you have an existing Gmail account, you'll click where it says use my current one. But if you don't, like I'm right here, I'm going to start a new Gmail account to get this YouTube account. So you add your name, your first name and last name. You add an email address. You create your Gmail address. And you're going to create a new password. You're going to click on next. And this is where you're going to add your phone number so that they can send you a text and you can verify it. And you're going to add a recovery email address, but it's optional. You can always go back and do that another time. But I'm going to add one in here anyway. Then you're going to add your birthday, month, day, and the year. And you're going to select a gender. And then you're going to go down and you're going to click on next. And they're going to send you a code to verify your phone number. So I got the code on my phone and I'm entering the code now and I'm going to verify that's my number. We're going to skip this part, go over the privacy and terms, click on I agree. Okay, your Google account is all set, and now add your business profile. You don't have to worry about this. Just go down and say click on not now. And you're all set.